Read the sentence and color the correct picture. That is a fox. That is a fox. Yes, that's the right picture. I see a dog. I see a dog. Great. This is a box. This is a box. Fantastic. That is hot. That is hot. Very good. The pot is big. The pot is big. Great. That is a bed. That is a bed. Very good. I see a net. I see a net. Yes, that's the right picture. This is a hen. This is a hen. Exactly. Great. I see a log. I see a log. Great job. The rat is fat. The rat is fat. Fantastic. I see a kid. I see a kid. Yes. That is a bus. That is a bus. Great job. This is a bin. This is a bin. Fantastic. That is a fin. That is a fin. Excellent. The bag is big. The bag is big. Great job. That is a cap. That is a cap. Indeed, that's a cap. I see a sub. I see a sub. Very good. That is a tap. That is a tap. Great job. I see a bib. I see a bib. Fantastic. This is a kit. This is a kit. Yes. The tub is wet. The tub is wet. Excellent. This is a pen. This is a pen. Great job. That is a mat. That is a mat. Awesome job. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. Fantastic. The pig is in the mud. The pig is in the mud. I see a tin. I see a tin. Yes, that's the right picture. This is a rug. This is a rug. Exactly, that's the right picture. The lid is big. The lid is big. Yes, that's the right picture. This is a wig. This is a wig. Yes, that's correct. I see a 6. I see a 6. Yes, that's correct. That is a bed. That is a bed. Fantastic. I see a bat. I see a bat. Yes, exactly. I can see a hat. I can see a hat. Very good. I see a pan. I see a pan. Great job. This is a zip. This is a zip. Fantastic. I can see a jet. I can see a jet. Yes, that's the jet. That is a fan. That is a fan. Great job. This is fun. This is fun. Yes, they're having fun. Great job. The pan is hot. The pan is hot. Exactly, that pan looks hot. It can cut. It can cut. That's the right picture. The kid has a map. The kid has a map. Yes, that's the kid with the map. This is jam. This is jam. Yes, that's the right picture. The dog can run. The dog can run. Yes, the first dog runs. The cat can nap. The cat can nap. The second cat naps. The pot is red. The pot is red. That's the right picture. I see the gum. I see the gum. Yes, that's the right picture. I can pat the dog. I can pat the dog. Fantastic. That is a rib. That is a rib. Thank you for watching our videos. You can find more videos from our Brain Pops YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe for more such fun reading videos. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.